It sounds pretty simple. If you want to have a productive day, avoid social media. But a lot of us need to understand the effect that social media really has on us. And here's what social media does to affect your productivity. The first thing is the stress emotional response. So a lot of people say I go on social media to relax, but this is not what's happening. Every video, every scroll, every tweet is taking a tiny bit of attention from you, also taking some tiny bit of emotional response. The video is how did that make me feel? What do I think about this? I didn't know that was happening. So that's why over time or prolonged use, you feel stressed. You don't feel relaxed because for you to relax, the body needs something predictable and some sort of emotional stability. I would recommend watching a long movie or one long form piece of content if you want to sort of relax because there is a bit of emotional stability there. But just scrolling from social media, going from short form video to short form video, or processing likes and comments and tweets, the body feels tired because it's not relaxing, it's working. Social media increases dopamine. It's kind of the same feeling that you get when you eat junk food or you gamble. But we know that these two things kind of make you feel dirty in the long term. So the body understands that what it's doing, it's not good. So you're getting dopamine, but you're also getting this guilt. So you end up feeling a bit guilty or a bit dirty after prolonged use of social media. It really hurts your ability to focus or task switch. When you use social media, you're telling your body that a reward is just a scroll or a tweet or a video away, which is not true in reality. A reward only comes after consistent effort over a long period of time. So whenever you go back to reality, you feel a bit sad or lower energy because you're expecting quick rewards. So, for you to be more connected with reality, for you to feel more grounded, for you to feel more productive, you need to spend less time on social media. Most of this is factual. Most of this is my personal experience, but everyone is different. I realize that social media is a great tool, but I do not use it in the morning. I try to fix a time towards the end of the day, but not before I sleep because it also affects sleep. And I track this time where I get to use social media on this app I'm building called Zendu. If you want a to-do list with great time tracking, try it, sign up, leave feedback in the link below.